Good morning students. This is Mrs. Pragya Giri, your computer teacher. Welcome back you all to the online classes of session 2020-21. In previous class I have taught how to move a window, how to resize a window. We have discussed some MCQs and also about the control panel. Now let's move further. Our next topic is changing the appearance of windows. It means to change the desktop background and also to set a screensaver. To change the appearance of windows, we have to go appearance and personalization category. As soon as you will reach this category, it will change your desktop background, font colors, font styles, window color and sounds of your wish. Okay. Now, to change the appearance of the windows, follow the given steps. First of all, to change the appearance of the windows, to change the desktop background of your window, you have to open the control panel option. In that, you have to go for appearance and personalization. When you click on appearance and personalization, you will get a separate option called personalization option. When you click on this, you will choose your own window color, screensaver, desktop background and sounds of your system, and whatever you wish you want, you apply on it. Okay. Next is your customizing the taskbar. What is the meaning of customizing the taskbar? Taskbar can be modified to the developing needs of user to do a particular task. Okay. To customize the taskbar, follow the given steps. Step 1, same it is. You have to open control panel and go for appearance and personalization. Okay. Then step 2, click the taskbar and start menu option. See the fourth option. Okay. You have to click on that. Okay, for example, many list will come auto hide the taskbar. Auto hide the taskbar means hiding the taskbar from screen automatically. Okay, if we'll hide the taskbar will disappear and it will remain disappear until and unless the cursor is no longer on this area. The area of the taskbar is bottom of the screen. When you move to the bottom of the screen, taskbar will appear, and if you move from that bottom of the screen, the taskbar will disappear. If you use the auto hidden option and use arrow pick to preview the desktop. Arrow pick to preview the desktop is also an option. If you want to choose this one, automatically your taskbar will come again. Okay, auto hide the taskbar. If you check this option, the taskbar disappear. If we'll put a tick mark in second option, the taskbar will auto hide, means automatically it will disappear from the screen. Use arrow pick. What is arrow pick? It allows the user to view their desktop by placing and not clicking their mouse over arrow pick in the far right side of the taskbar. Means if you once you have auto hidden the taskbar, okay, when you move to the bottom of the screen, your taskbar will appear. Okay, and if you'll use the arrow pick feature inside in the left corner of the taskbar, okay, you'll see show desktop button. If you'll use that one, your arrow pick feature will activate. Okay. Next option is configuring date and time. Configuring date and time means to arrange date and time. To change date and time also, you have to use which option? Control panel option. You have to open the control panel option and click a category called clock language and region. In that, if you'll click, you'll get an option date and time. Okay, you have to change date and time button. Use setting dialog box appears. Okay, for changing the date and time of your option, to make changes in the date, you have to change the month, year and day. Okay, and to make changes in the time, you have to change the hour, minutes and seconds. Okay, to increase and decrease the value, you have given some arrows also, and when you click on OK button, your date and time will be changed. See the picture. Okay, for date and time, date, month, year and day, and for time, hour. And you have to also change AM and PM also, ante-meridian and post-meridian. When you will change and click OK button, your date and time will be changed. So thank you students. Next class we will move to the next topic. Thank you.